Welcome back to the channel. My name is Sherelle, and in this video we will be flying Japan Airlines Boeing 777-300 business class, 9 hours from Tokyo, Japan back to San Francisco in California in the United States. We did get to the airport quite early, so we were able to walk around and check out the airport. There's a lot of things to do and see through the airport before you go through security, as well as after you go through security. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel as we have more travel content coming your way. It really does help our channel grow. And before heading through security, me and my sister did check out the observation deck area, which is an open air space area. You can get fresh air and watch the planes take off and land. I will say it was a nice day to be outside. It was a clear view of the tarmac area and it was not crowded at all. Once we made it through security, we did check out the Japan Airlines lounge, which I'll have a separate video on. It's a very nice lounge where you can sit and relax until the boarding of your plane. Now let's board our ride home. This is the Boeing 777-300 on our way to San Francisco, California. If you're looking for specific seats, I recommend using Seat Guru. This is what my sister used to help book our flight and our tickets back to the States so we could get specific seats sitting right next to each other. The flight is set up in a 2-3-2 configuration, so if you do want to sit near a window seat, I do recommend using Seat Guru, as the aisle seats do not have access to a window. The walkway to get to the window seat is a little narrow, so do keep that in mind when booking your tickets so that you can choose the seat best for you. 5'3", so I'm not very tall, so I had plenty of space in this seat. So I do want you to keep that in mind as well. If you're a little bit taller, you may want to choose an aisle seat to give you a little bit more space. You can use this touch tone tablet to watch entertainment as well as order food. After reaching cruising altitude, I did place my order for my dinner meal, which I will show you shortly. If you don't know, I am a tea lover, so I pretty much have tea with every meal I have. So this was a great addition to my meal option. Me and my sister did end up trading. I actually do not like olives, but I do like nuts. So I took her nuts and she took my olives. I do have a very hard time falling asleep on these long flights, so I end up making my bed and I put on another movie and ordered some additional food. I'm glad I got the curry. I was able to eat the curry as I was watching my third or fourth movie in a row. So this was a great addition, as well as the raspberry ice cream I had. And I ended up actually falling asleep after this. And if you made it this far, please consider subscribing to my channel as we are growing and it helps YouTube share our videos to others. I will say this was a great flight, very smooth, and I enjoyed taking this business class flight for the first time. We landed in San Francisco safely and we headed off to the American Express Lounge for our 4-hour layover and then off to our final destination. I hope you enjoyed this review of the business class flight home, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye!